Are you even aware? Are you aware of the various twists and turns the crypto market has been facing recently? So much has been happening in the crypto market. Most reports are laced with dips, turns, and twists. So where does Cardano ADA stand in the middle of it all? Well, let's fill you in. Bitcoin prices briefly jumped to new 52-week highs above $31,000 in July, following more reports that inflation was gradually drawing its curtains. But the good news fizzles as soon as it arrived that the world's most valuable crypto ran out of steam in the second half of the month. Bitcoin's prices dropped more than 3% overall in July, finishing the month below $29,300. The second cryptocurrency by market cap, Ethereum, rose less than 1% in July to close the month out at $1,859. Among the 10 largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, Solana was the best July performer with a 56% gain. Bitcoin turned out to be the worst performer of the month, but still remains one of the best performing major cryptos of 2023. The market turmoil cannot completely kick out Bitcoin, as it has gained 75% so far in 2023, putting it on track for its best annual performance since 2020. So far, Ethereum's prices are also up 55% in 2023. The general market capitalization of the global crypto market has peaked over $2.9 trillion in November of 2021, but it took a big hit during the crypto winter of 2022. The industry's market cap now stands at just $1.1 trillion heading into August. What do crypto experts have to say about this, though? According to Morpher CEO Martin Froehler, the 2023 Bitcoin rally could resume in the months ahead. We're almost done with the interest rate hike cycle, so the current macroeconomic headwinds will soon begin to fade. Simultaneously, we're about 9 months away from the next Bitcoin halving event, which historically has propelled the price up dramatically, Froehler said. Then Kyle DeCruz, director of digital asset products at Van Eck, noted that Bitcoin's limited supply and scarcity could create long-term value for investors. He said, central banks around the world have ushered in unprecedented growth in money supply, effectively eroding the currency's purchasing value. In comparison, Bitcoin's limited supply and increased mining difficulty over time may support the idea of Bitcoin as a long-term store of value and as an alternative to gold. Also, crypto investors got some interesting news on July 13th when a judge awarded Ripple a partial victory in its legal battle against the SEC. It was a great celebration moment for XRP proponents and investors. Other cryptocurrencies jumped in price as well, but it was just a partial victory, wasn't it? The SEC sued Ripple back in 2020, alleging that the company breached securities laws by selling its cryptocurrency, XRP, without properly registering it as a security. However, there was a breaking of new dawn as the new ruling made by a judge of the Southern District of New York highlighted that XRP was not necessarily a security on its face. The ruling sent the price of XRP and other altcoins soaring, but as noted, the decision wasn't a definitive victory for Ripple. The judge ruled that XRP was not a security when it came to sales made through trading algorithms, exchanges, or distribution methods, such as employee compensation. However, he found Ripple's institutional sales of XRP were security transactions. Following the court's ruling, popular cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase and Kraken reinstated XRP trading on their platforms. More benefits flowed in as Coinbase's stock price also jumped following the Ripple's ruling. Investors saw the court decision in the Ripple case as a positive sign for Coinbase in its legal battle with the SEC over allegations that Coinbase has been operating as an unregistered exchange and broker. Furthermore, the popular meme cryptocurrency Dogecoin was a top performer in July. The crypto jumped 8% on July 24th after Tesla and X's CEO Elon Musk changed his bio on social media app to include the Dogecoin symbol. As we all know, Musk has recently rebranded Twitter as X in the past few weeks. And he makes the decisions now, and some crypto enthusiasts have speculated that he will eventually integrate Dogecoin as a payment method for the platform. Musk previously added Dogecoin as a payment method for certain Tesla products, and he is a major Dogecoin investor himself. Cryptocurrency exchange Binance laid off more than 1,000 employees in July and cut certain benefits for its remaining workforce, as the company continues to wallow in the US market share losses and expensive lawsuits by the Commodity Futures and Trading Commission, and of course the SEC. Both regulators alleged that Binance operated illegally in the US. A data provider platform known as Kaiko estimated that Binance US has seen its market share drop from 27% in April of 2023 to barely above 1%. Plus, an investor group led by private investment firm Tally Capital and venture capital firm Capital 6 was reported to have been in the final stages of a $125 million acquisition of the cryptocurrency-focused media company CoinDesk. Also, Alex Mashinsky, founder of failed crypto lender Celsius Network, was arrested on July 13th and charged with 7 crimes, including securities fraud, market manipulation, and commodities fraud. Recall that Celsius was one of the earliest victims of the 2022 crypto winter, which culminated with the collapse of the popular crypto exchange FTX in November of last year. Then, in the ongoing Bitcoin ETF front, a new report by crypto trading firm NYDIG suggests a Bitcoin spot exchange traded fund could generate $30 billion in new Bitcoin demand. The SEC has repeatedly rejected applications to create a Bitcoin spot ETF to trade on major US exchange out of concerns for investor safety. But crypto traders are optimistic that a new batch of Bitcoin applications from BlackRock, Fidelity, and other major financial institutions could finally convince the SEC. Now, we've talked all about everything else, so what about Cardano? We know that your ears are itchy already. Well, Cardano did in fact do a big thing. The Cardano platform has launched a long-anticipated major upgrade to its mainnet, possibly giving fuel to the ADA token advancing soon. Mithril, a stake-based signature protocol promising to improve the efficiency of the node sync, has officially launched on Cardano's mainnet. The operator of the Cardano stake pool called Blade, known as Conrad, shared several major benefits of the upgrade, including increased decentralization through blockchain snapshot validation by multiple pools signing to attest to a specific certificate, and the introduction of an aggregator to create the certificate chains and deliver snapshots. In all, despite the prevailing market bearishness, numerous factors suggest that the next crypto cycle could outshine all previous ones in terms of growth and adoption, and Cardano will witness a major jump in value. However, a question we ask is, will 2023-2024 kick off with a new bull run? Of course, Bitcoin's next halving event is scheduled for April 2024, and this event, which occurs per approximately every 4 years, will reduce the number of Bitcoins generated as mining rewards by 50%, effectively lowering the supply of new Bitcoin entering the market. Taking a little bit of a look at history, the 4-year Bitcoin halving cycle has correlated with bull and bear periods of the crypto market. The 1 year leading up to the halving events is typically seen as the best time to accumulate, with the explosive upside potential happening for 1 year after the Bitcoin halvings. So the best time is right now. Moving forward, the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade will reach its final stages of development by the end of 2023, with the introduction of the Shanghai upgrade and proto-dank sharding. Ethereum will see significant improvements in scalability, security, and energy efficiency. Ethereum staking and transaction burning mechanisms have also been fully implemented, significantly boosting the network's tokenomics demand. This will undoubtedly attract more developers, users, and investors to the Ethereum ecosystem, further increasing its value and, of course, the value of the overall cryptocurrency market. So far, much of the crypto space has been focused on proof of concept. The only truly successful and sustainable use cases that have emerged are decentralized trading and lending and borrowing. But there have been a lot of speculations around NFTs, metaverse, gaming, and zero-knowledge proofs, and even though users have mainly been attracted to these areas for speculation rather than actual use. As these technologies continue to improve, we can expect more practical use cases to emerge, fueling increased adoption. And before crypto prices began to drown attention, crypto-attracted innovators were passionate about the technology, but we can't really say the same now. However, as the technology matures and becomes more of an infrastructure for profound experiences, we can expect a more significant influx of users. This wider adoption will drive further growth and innovation in the crypto ecosystem, leading to even more thrilling opportunities for both users and investors. Although regulatory clarity in the US remains a missing piece, the dApps that catch fire in the next cycle may do so without it, as they could be so innovative and unique that it would take years to classify them. These regulatory actions may fuel the growth of the crypto market by allowing innovative projects to flourish without being choked by traditional regulatory constraints. The 2024 Bitcoin halving season seems to be the best bet for the crypto market. For Cardano ADA, plus the Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson has worked on Cardano for so many years alongside his team, I think it's well time for Cardano to shine. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure to click on the subscribe notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.